Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry that this video is late again, because, I don't know, I'm just busy cleaning up stuff, and my phone's clogged up. But now, I can finally start releasing videos again. Really slow year, but it is what it is. Enjoy the video. It's gonna be loud. We have something. It flashed all down there and around. It's already raining. Wasting my time trying to make a funny meme, and then all of a sudden, boom! I think a positive flash actually struck, because it sounded like a bomb going off. But I saw a flash before that. It didn't look like no bomb. Also, I fixed the problem with the night lighting. As you probably seen on community post, you can see the tree line now. So that's cool. Also, I'm wearing boots. If you're curious, I'm wearing boots. Why? One of my sandals has dog poop on it. Hardened concrete like dog poop. And my shoes, well, they're drenched because of that flood. You gonna strick? I was wasting my time trying to make a Michael Rosen meme. So. That scared me too. I saw that. Boom. Someone said, wow. Did I see that? I don't know. Maybe I'm seeing things. What are they doing out at 1 in the morning? If you would focus, that would be really nice. Okay, I'm back. I fixed the focus. I think I did. There, so it kind of at least focuses a little bit. I needed lens cleaner, that's what oh god, don't turn my back on it. Wind's picking up. That was sick. There were 2 tornado warnings today, by the way, and like, what was it? Off east of me, there are 2 tornado warnings from like Kansas like storms that started developing in a line towards Lake Huron. I swear, just a line of cells. All of a sudden, tornado warnings everywhere. My dad actually did go through a tornado a few days ago when that flood happened here. My dad did drive through a tornado. Well, it didn't touch down, but it was a reported tornado. It was a tornado warned storm. But he didn't see no tornado. It was just pushing him around like crazy. And he's in a van. He works with a van. Scrouch. I probably shouldn't be touching that. See, I turned my head on it. Windy. getting windy. We checked the damage, by the way, going down the road once. Yesterday. No, 2 days ago. And we went down towards the smokestacks. And there's a park near there. There's a light. Oh! A light that was smashed. A tree branch fell and broke and fell on it. It's all smashed and stuff. Oh! It punched its lights out. I got that on camera though. Golly. There's something in my boot. Sorry about that. Getting had to restart it. You know what? Like I said, I don't know how long this video is going to be. I probably got like 10 minutes down now. I'm not sure though. Never be too sure. Touche. Oh, I think I see the rain coming. It's getting all hazy. Contrast is decreasing. I'm sketched out, man. It's already pooling in the road, we're not flooding. If it's flooding, that means it's like flowing down and up the road and stuff. I got that! Uh-oh. Boom. I got that though. I got that. Wow. I'm happy. Well, I got that one. I'll be back in a minute. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. That was quieter than I thought, sorry. Sorry about that, guys, I'm back. I just took a little break. Because my leg I'm having a leg problem right now. My femur is has like a aching, like a throbbing aching pain going on. So I can't stand as long. Which is why I bring that chair up last time, because I had a little bit of a pain, but not. But obviously that chair isn't there right now. So I have to take breaks. Like I said, also this video wouldn't be as long as the last few. Yeah, that first storm I posted out of this bunch was probably one of the shortest storm videos I recorded since I stopped not recording them halfway through the storm, but if you know what I mean, I didn't quite word that right, so. A few minutes ago, I got the urge to go inside, because, I don't know, it feels like my hair's standing up, but that's usually how it always is, just because it's hot outside now. Whoa, falling over. Ooh. Also, the rain's kind of dying off this way, so again, I'm probably going to stop this soon. It's about as much as it's going to rain. Because the rain's kind of stopped over there. It's turned to greens and blues. It's shriveling up. There is a line of storms, though. All down here, there's a line going that way, though, like eastward, easterly winds. Give me a ride out of the sunset. Color TV screen. I really need to poop. I'm gonna poop right now. Uh-oh. That was pretty. They're really visible tonight. Remember one of my first storm videos I ever made that I didn't upload? I uploaded a part of it, but that wasn't really much. There's like a circle up in the clouds. There's a circle lightning up in the cloud for a second. I didn't record it though, but I saw it. I pressed record right after it. Because I sucked. Then, I mean, I was 10 years old. What was I supposed to do? Actually, it's more like 11, but whatever. Yeah, there was a circle lightning up in the clouds. It was one of the craziest things I ever saw. Let me check my weather. That thing just latched on itself. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it's breaking up. That's sad. Okay, I'm gonna need to turn off the camera. My leg's messing up. But, ooh, man. Yeah, it is breaking up anyway, off in that direction. I mean, it's just gotten calm right now. So I don't know how much longer I'm gonna record this. I'll give it a few more minutes. Yeah, I'll give it a few more minutes. Thought my battery's dying for a second. Glad it wasn't, because I need to do my dang job and upload my video for tomorrow, which is where I think I got my best lightning strike ever. I legit think I did. It was right there. It was all up in the tree and stuff. It was really pretty. It was better than that one I got in 2021. That's for dang sure. This one is really visible. It's pretty blue. Up in the clouds. But yeah, I gotta rest my leg, and yeah, and the storm's breaking up. So I hope if you enjoyed this video, I hope you did, because I'm in pain and I got some good lightning strikes. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Brought back the old outro. Later, everyone.